It's great to see Mom independent again. Thanks to her new Freedom Lift chair, she can get up and down without anyone's help. And best of all, she got the Freedom Lift chair at no cost. It's Medicare approved, and because Mom qualified, Medicare paid every penny.
I have my independence again, and to me, that's priceless.
Call toll-free 1-800-345-8500 to find out more about the Freedom Lift chair from Beckett Medical. In most cases, Medicare will pay for the chair. Imagine, with just a touch, regaining the freedom to gently stand or sit without the assistance of others. And the Freedom Lift chair looks as nice as any lounger. Find out more from the Beckett Medical professionals. Call toll-free 1-800-345-8500 right now.
Mom has her comfort and independence again.
And Medicare covered every penny.
Call 1-800-345-8500. Find out how to get the Freedom Lift chair at no cost to you. 1-800-345-8500. Freedom is just a phone call away.